What's your name?
My name is Sky.
Sky? Koi.
Yes.
Oh. We are getting this Shoei. This is 7. AGB 30%? What's the biggest discount you have here?
Maybe 50.
What? This empty helmet. 50%. Yan, mga empty helmets na 50%. Benmola, 2,000. May discount pa yan, guys. Yes. Yeah, for reference, ito, I-70. 6.9 back, less 30%. New
Yes.
design, new design? Yeah?
New design. 1,000.
1,007.
790.
Hey guys, so grab tayo today. We are going to 320 SP. That's one of the famous motorcycle shops here in the country, here in Thailand. So riding a grab bike, going there because it's easier because of the traffic situation here in Bangkok. And I have, what's your name, sir? Name?
Art.
Oh, there. No. The traffic situation here. Time check, it's around 11 in the morning. Alright guys, ride muna kami and I'll see you there. So dito sa Bangkok guys, hindi sila mahigpit sa helmet. Actually, I prefer to wear one. It's just that walang helmet si Idol. So wala siyang extra helmet. So wala tayong magagawa. Wala tayong helmet. So mabagal lang naman. I told him to drive slowly. Yes. Woo. Nice.
That's nice.
So guys, we are here at 320 SP. So this is the very famous Thai shop here, motorcycle Thai shop here. Thank you. Thank you. So let's go inside. Hi guys, so we are with, what's your name?
My name is Sky.
Sky?
Koi.
Hi?
Koi.
Koi.
Yes.
Oh guys, I'm with Koi. Alright, so she's gonna assist us here. Hi Koi. One.
Speak English a little bit.
Oh, it's okay, that's fine. Guys, tail tidy. So, meron silang for big bikes. And then, small bikes, yeah, R15. Ayan, yung price nila, very reasonable. May discount pa yan. Benelli. So, CB650R. That's for 2019. And then, the aux lights, guys. Ang daming aux lights dito. Ay, ang dami ng mga gano'n, no? Yung mudguard plate. Then tank cover. Cowling. Ito, naked CB400. Mudguards. Padaanan lang natin guys kasi sobrang dami. So medyo mahirap naman na isa-isahin ito lahat. Pero at least, I'll try my best to show you guys a lot of the items here. CX. Sliders. Z900. Side mirrors. Okay, mga handlebars guys. Engine guard. Crash guard. Yeah, C900. 50. So, ayan, GSX 750. Wala pang X-Max. So, dito lahat dami. CB400. CB500X. Yung mga prices natin dito. 650. Jator guards. Yan, padami dito. bracket, top box. Box bracket. Versus 650. There's pa. Top box bracket nila, and then they have air filters. Ayan guys, pagkaan na natin lahat yan. Air filter. Sort of mufflers guys. Small bikes. So nice. 4.8, maybe 650. I think they have may discount yan guys if tanong ka na. That's what I'm thinking. Ilan talaga, sobrang dami. So, mahirap mamili. Or mga mufflers nila. No? Top box. Have that yes. Top box. Yung ibang items nila medyo I find it mas mahal, no? Meron silang mga mas mahal eh. So windscreen. There's mga windscreen. Mga windscreen, dami. Guys, grabe. This is like a candy factory of kids like us. At least ito yung muffler nila, guys. Excel. Like that. Dami. Gloves. I think these are local brands nila dito, no? Yeah. They have Sena, guys. Sena sila dito. No, also the paring commonly magkasama yung dalawang yan. But I'm not seeing any Cardo. Maybe wala. Sena lang talaga yung products nila. And the Moto Wolf, ayan, mga bags, fairings guys, may mga fairings din sila here. And top box, GB top box. Benelli shoes, yan guys. For reference, magkano to? Yan, 3,200. Not sure magkano sa atin yan. Ang Benelli na yan. So they have batteries there. Yan guys. Dynamo batteries. Prices na kanila. Moto Wolf. They have 5, oh. Itong 5 na to, I have this 6,000, but actually nabili ko siya mas mura yung nabili ko sa Moto Wolf, sa Moto World. So that's only how much that's only 650. This one, the Ogi. Good shoes. Huh? This is just 190 naman lang. Oh, this one is on sale, guys. Oh, it's just 19. The Ogi. This one is good. Oh, from Moto Wolf. Yan, mga Moto Wolf gloves. Dami dito Moto Wolf.
This one, 990.
990. What's the cheapest do you have?
Huh?
What's the cheapest?
Cheapest.
Yeah.
What is
Lowest price. What lowest price? The lowest price.
this one. Just only 800.
800.
Yes.
Jacket and pants?
Yes, sure.
Jacket and
And have
pants.
the bag for ticket.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, guys. Ito 800 jacket and pants, na. The riding jacket What's the lowest price for the riding jacket?
2005.
2005. The Binkia.
Yes.
Ah.
For
So yan
jacket.
guys. Dami.
This one for women.
For women, yeah.
This one for
For men, yeah.
Yes.
This how much this?
This one, the new อะไรวะ
New model, new
Yes,
design, new
yes.
design, yeah.
New design. 1,790.
1007. So it has shoulder guard, shoulder
Have arm.
and then back
Yes.
protector, guys. Yeah. That's good. Very good. Then here, of course, they have the knee pads. Kia knee pads, which marami sa atin yan. And then this, how much this? Like this with solid protectors.
This one,
That's common to see sa atin guys. No?
3,005.
3,500. Of course, guys, that's baht. The price is in baht. You have to multiply it.
If you pay with cash, we will have discount 5%.
5%
1,000 up.
for 1,000 up. For 2,000 up.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. 5%. That's the highest, 5% only. That's the highest, 5% discount.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Oh, so they're offering discount, guys. So
This in here,
yeah,
just only 20 baht.
20 baht, all of everything.
Yes.
Ah, there
This one 50 baht.
50 baht. Oh, this one is just 50 baht.
The gold one
Oh, yeah.
17. 70.
70 baht.
Yes. If you take two,
Yeah.
100.
Oh. So medyo ano na yung protector niya, guys. Pero it's still cheap, no? Oh, see? Ito.
Just only 1,005. Oh, okay.
1,000 baht?
1,005.
1,005. Oh. What's the brand of?
Binkia.
It's still Benkia? Ah.
Rhino.
Ah. 1,000. It's good, though. So, it's a camo jacket. It's nice. That. Here. Oh, they have Ducati. Guys, so how much this?
Ducati.
Yeah.
This one 7,900.
7,900. Ah, they have rock biker. Looks like what do you call this? This, how much this? 1,000. Guys,
Yes.
oh. 1,000 baht. Oh. And this 750. Nice. So that's like the belt bags nila. So 100 Dragon.
This one, if you take, we have the new one for you.
This is just display. No?
Yes.
Yeah. Then let's move on here. What's here? What's in here? Oh, still the same. The jackets and then the
Now it's not perfect. We just make the new shop.
the other side.
Yes.
We're transferring to a different shop, guys, because they're expanding. So this is their helmet. Oh, this is the helmet store. So it's just beside. Ah, nice. So here, everything helmet. So they have Bilmola, guys. Bilmola helmets.
I want to show you.
AGB 30%.
Yes.
What's the biggest discount you have here?
Maybe 50.
What?
50%.
AGB, you have 50%?
No, for AGV is 30%.
30%. Index. So they have, it's 50% the index?
No, this one is the new.
Oh, the new designs of index. I see. Alright. So here.
But the price is not too much. Just
Yeah. And then NHK, guys. May mga NHK sila dito. So, give you a reference. Yeah. 990. Ah, that's Fuse pala. I'm sorry. That's Fuse. Oh, you have the Zeus. 17 Zeus. The Zeus. What's the discount for Zeus?
suit.
Zeus. This one. The Zeus helmet. That brand. Yeah. Do you have like Shoei, Arai, like that?
Alright,
Yeah.
alright.
Oh, they have HJC, guys. Here. HJC. Empty helmets they have. Yeah. LS2. Yes. So, LS2. I have X-Lite 21. X-Lite brands. NHK, MT. So, ito yung mga RI nila. How many discount for RI?
We will have discount if you pay with cash 5%, and we will give you for coupon 1,002.
Less 1,200? Ah. So that's 23.
Show it.
Showy. Yeah. Same with Showy, same discount for Showy.
Yes.
56. And then they have Shark. Shark. Okay, Shark helmets. Sasya na kayo guys if medyo malikot yung camera natin. I'm just using my phone. There's something wrong with my GoPro eh. So, ito to. Mark Marquez. Full moon. 27,500. The Showy. Here. They have KYT, guys. So, the KYT. This the KYT nila. And yeah, I don't know if it's similar dun sa price natin sa Philippines to. Pero for example, this one, what's the price? Let's say for example, this one, the TT course, it's 3,350. So multiply nyo na lang guys para malaman nyo how much is that in Philippine peso. Kaya ang daming bilmola. Bilmola, 2,000. May discount pa yan guys. Mga bilmola na yan. And then the Zeus. They have this one, no? Carbon. Carbon Zeus. Empty. Carbon. Oh, this one is the ARPA. 20,900. The Captain America. ARPA 11. They have SMK. Meron din tayo yan guys. Available there. At the Moto World. So, tignan natin guys yung AGB nila. They have nice AGBs there. Shark. Ito yung Shark Riddle guys. Mura to guys. It's 5.9 less 5%. So they have available Shark Riddle here. Ito 3,000. LS2. LS2. Yeah, LS2 they have. So may mga price, may mga items that are cheaper here, and then meron sa atin mas cheaper. That's what I have noticed. No? So guys, meron din dito mga Nolan. Ayan. Yeah, N80, N60. Yeah, mga Nolan. Ang dami Nolan. Here pa pala. Yes. Here. 15% ng Nolan. Dito. Actually, Nolan is a good brand. Ginagamit din yan sa MotoGP. Right. Of course, the HJC. 30% discount. Yeah, for reference, ito, I-70, 6.9 baht, less 30%. Wala. MP helmets. MP helmets, 50%, oh. Here guys, MP helmets. 50%. Yan, mga MP helmets na 50%. Diba? 2020. MP, 50% guys. Mura naman ito. 4,600, 2,000 plus na lang siya, no? Pero, MP, 50% guys. So from 4.6 to 3. Less 5% pa yan. Grabe. Murang-mura na. Then ito, ID helmets, shoes. Shoes here. Itong shoes, matagal na rin sa atin meron to guys. Itong shoes na to. Wala pa masyadong mga kung ano nung tak na helmet. May shoes na sa atin na binibenta. Nakagamit ako nito guys way back. Okay din naman yung shoes. Saka ganda ng quality niya. Nice. Ito. For example. Good. Tingin tayo dun sa ano. Sa AGB. Itong Nolan 15%. AGB 10% discount. Ito 10%. So guys, 30%. So 30% yun. So 10%. No? On sale, I don't sure. 10%. K3. Itong K3 nila na to. So, sobrang dami guys dito, no? Guys, look at that. Showy. 50%. No? Show you guys, 50%, oh, look at that. And then ito yung mga RI. This one RI 10%, and then Shark RI. We are getting this Showy Z7. Ito guys, ito mga Bilmola. Alam naman natin na Bilmola helmets are made in Thailand. So, ang mura ng mga Bilmola helmets dito. LS2 medyo mataas sila dito. So, I would recommend. Ang ganda nitong Bilmola na to. Parang gano'n. Gradient yung design niya. No? There.
Salap pala.
Ha?
18,000 อ่ะราคา
Hey guys, so tapos na tayo mag-shopping para tayong bata dito. We don't want to leave because we're seeing a lot of things here. Really so much. So we got a Showy helmet guys for a very reasonable price. So very accommodating then. Thank you. Noy, thank you. Bye-bye. Check out my YouTube channel and Facebook. I'll post this video. Thank you. Yes, thank you.